Hey everyone, back again with another video to help you out. This time I'm showing you the location and removal of the Sony amplifier in a 2014 Ford Edge. This is being pulled from a junkyard for a customer who needs it. And if you're having trouble with any of your audio systems and it's crackling or cutting out, your amplifier could be the cause of it. I don't know what it takes to make this work. I don't know if it's just plug this into the new vehicle and make it work, or if you need to do anything extra, but just to show you where it is and how to get it out, you're coming to the right place. So you'll need to come to the passenger rear quarter and you'll need to remove your panel here. You've got a twisty screw here to remove up high here, and then you'll need to pry it up out of the slot underneath this cover here, and then this whole piece slides, pulls back away. Just make sure you don't break it or damage it. You might have to take your trunk floor cover up out as well in order to access this, or even just to put it back in. It'll probably be a lot easier. There's a bunch of stuff back here though, so it's hard to work with, but that'll access your subwoofer and your enclosure. You'll then need to remove the 10mm bolt here. There'll be one back here inside this little cavity here, and then there'll be another one right up here, and then this subwoofer enclosure sits up in the little groove on the back side here. But once you've got all those bolts out, then this will pull out of the way here, and that'll give you access to your Sony amplifier. You'll have a 10mm bolt right there, one down there, and there's another one right there, and then there'll be a nut right there as well. Make sure you disconnect any of these wires that are going to be connected to it right there. Your plugs are all from the underside. You just squeeze the little triggers on these. To remove them, and then you'll have to double check to make sure you get all these little wire keepers off of this to remove that. But that is where your Sony amplifier is going to be. So if this helped you out, drop a like down below. It really shows that these things actually help people, and people aren't just watching them and using the information and then just not hitting that one little thumbs up button. That really helps. It shows me that you guys are appreciative and that these videos actually help and actually work. And not everybody leaves a comment or a question or anything like that, but if you have any comments or questions or concerns, go ahead and leave those down below and I'll do my best to help you. I won't leave you hanging in most cases, as long as I know the information and I can get it back to you as quick as I can. But that's the location and removal of your Sony amplifier in your 2014 Ford Edge. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if this type of stuff interests you, and